Welcome to this wonderful video in which we will talk about modern bedrooms and how they can make a huge difference in your daily experience and quality of life. The room itself is the place where we spend at least a third of our lives, so it should be a place that makes us feel relaxed, comfortable, and elegant in the same time. We start with colors and design. The modern bedroom design is characterized by simplicity and elegance, as calm and soft color palettes such as white, gray, and beige are used. These colors create a calm and relaxing environment that helps calm the nerves after a long and stressful day. Along with the design comes the furniture and fixtures. A modern dormitory bed can be designed in a unique style that combines beauty and practical functionality. It can be made of high-quality materials such as wood or faux leather, and can have additional equipment such as USB ports for charging electronic devices and LED lights that provide soft lighting for reading books before bed. Along with furniture, technology can be an important part of a modern bedroom. This can include voice control systems for lighting, air conditioning, and curtains to make it easier to set the perfect atmosphere. The room can also have a smart TV screen that provides you easy access to entertainment content. For added comfort, modern bedrooms can also include advanced systems for controlling temperature and humidity in the room, helping to provide an ideal sleeping environment. The room can also contain large windows that allow natural light in and provide a stunning view of the outside scenery. Some innovative ideas and designs that can make your bedroom look elegant and modern. We'll start with bedding and linens, as they can play a big role in transforming the look of a room. You will see beds with various textures and colors that give the bedroom a touch of luxury and elegance. Coordinating pillows and accessories can also be used to add a personal touch to the room. For those looking for modern and versatile bedrooms, we will learn about small bedroom design ideas and how to make the most of limited spaces. We'll also share clever storage ideas that will help keep the room organized and beautiful. We will also touch on lighting and how it can be used to give a room a different atmosphere. We will see examples of design lighting that creates great visual effects and adds warmth and charm to a room. Lighting in a modern bedroom is a crucial element to add a comfortable and aesthetic atmosphere. It is preferable to use multi-level lighting to provide different effects and adapt the lighting according to your needs. General ceiling lamps can be used with warm and gentle light to create a calm atmosphere in your relaxing time. The light can be directed upward to avoid direct lighting. Table lamps or wall lights can be used next to the bed to add a decorative touch and provide soft lighting suitable for reading or relaxing. LED lighting technology is ideal for modern rooms, as the brightness and color temperature can be controlled to achieve ideal lighting for the desired situation. Curtains. Curtains in a modern bedroom play an important role in controlling light and enhancing privacy. Curtains can be plain or printed with beautiful patterns and modern designs. Large, heavy curtains made from high-quality fabrics can be chosen to provide an excellent light and sound barrier, which helps improve sleep quality. For those who prefer natural lighting, you can choose sheer curtains or light curtains that allow natural light in and provide privacy at the same time. Blinds come with different types of mechanisms such as manual blinds and electric blinds that can be easily controlled via a remote control. In this video, you will find great inspiration to improve and update your bedroom and make it reflect the character of modernity and elegance. Always remember that the bedroom is the place where you sleep and rest after a long day, so it should be a comfortable environment and meet your needs as best as possible. We wish you a fun and inspiring experience with this video about modern bedrooms. In conclusion, modern bedrooms are not just a place to sleep, but rather a haven for relaxation, tranquility, and comfort. If you are looking for a way to improve your sleeping experience and increase the quality of your daily life, a modern bedroom may be the answer. We hope this video inspires you to transform your bedroom into a stylish and comfortable place that will help you relax and enjoy peaceful and relaxing sleep times.